Oh, Port Orchard.
Port Orchard
is where they keep their boat.
Oh, okay. They're by Port Orchard. Okay.
But they live
But you live
off
up on the-
Roslyn,
yeah, right,
20
right,
miles
Above
of Roslyn.
on the Fish Lake Road.
Yeah.
So, okay, you have the pineapple table and the oak table
She has the
Yes,
dining room table.
dining room
Dining
table.
room table and chairs.
and chairs, and you have the Indian
The end of the trail.
end of the trail, and you have the you. And I have
Oh,
the
I have the desk.
you have the
nice.
desk, okay,
Yeah.
and then
That's right, you do.
Oh, you have the desk?
I know.
How'd you get the
Yeah, I know.
desk?
I never knew.
How'd you get
I'll
that?
trade you.
I stole it. How do you think?
I thought so. Well, and who has the dresser that was in
Yeah, who's the dresser?
front in
My-
the bedroom?
My daughter.
In what
That was
bedroom?
in her bedroom.
In Grandma and Grandpa's bedroom. Her daughter has it.
Yeah, Sherry has it.
Ah.
And she redid it.
Nice. Nice.
Ah, and then I got the
Phonograph.
phonograph,
There's that cute
and
little baby.
then
Yeah.
you got the what?
I don't know of anything I particularly got from Grandpa and Grandma in my house. I don't think so.
No, I have the sugar bowl off of the table that she
Yeah.
always used,
The sugar bowl.
Yeah.
and her candy dish, that sort of amber candy dish with a lid.
Isn't that dish that I think I got it from you, the round one? It's crystal and it's heavy and it's about yay big around, and it has the edges like that.
Yeah.
So it's all, yeah, it's all, I mean, it's pretty heavy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I have that, and I don't know where it came from. If it came from Mom, you'll never.
I don't know how it got in my house. I think this is the couch of confession.
Yes, it is.
I don't know. I think you did. See, my
You're
neighbor
gonna have to pass the rosary beads out here.
I know
to
she
me.
has some. You know that
Forgive me, Mother, for I have
in and out.
I don't know.
Almost like
Hail Mary.
Yeah.
yes. I gave her
I'm good now.
of that.
I know what
She
else
had
I've
some
got
other
at Grandma's.
Yeah.
That's
Let's
the reason
hear
I
it.
gave her that, 'cause
Let's
she had
hear
a
it.
couple
The
other pieces. I don't know
sugar
where she
container
gave them.
yes, with the handle,
Oh.
the old.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And she still uses it.
I use it to this day.
Oh,
That's great.
Oh, yeah.
Sugar.
Oh, yeah.
That's great.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Cool.
It's kind of a.
I do have one
I'm
of
glad we got the clock legally.
Oh,
And I
wow.
don't know what they ever got in it to begin with,
those.
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
Grandma
We know
always
what you
put
got.
sugar in it. So
Yeah.
And works for you.
I
Grandma,
always
worked
put
for you.
sugar in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that.
You know,
Oh, I did.
the sugar bowl she always
where
had
it
on the
is.
table.
Yeah.
I have that. And I've used it a lot.
Yeah,
My
the
older sister
phonograph
had a fit 'cause I was
Yeah.
using it. They said, well, it's just pressed flat.
And Ken got the clock.
You know, not cut back. Well, I
When
said,
we got
Mom
married.
had it on
And
the
Roger
table all
got
the
the
time.
sword.
I don't know why I can't. You know?
Right.
And Roger has the
I
sword.
said I'd save it for what? Roger has one.
A sword. Roger has the sword in Grandpa's.
Where'd the sword come from?
From the militia.
Oh yeah.
But I have the 2 uniforms that I want to give to his 2 sons.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Because I got pictures of him in the
That's what
militia
she
and the
was looking at.
certificate
That,
of what he
picture
got
of
the
the
captain.
When I was at the other
The
house,
captain,
I talked to him.
whatever his
Yeah.
captain was,
And,
he has
From that
He has
militia.
the-
Uh-huh. And
He has
everything.
pictures of what he had his sword, whatever he
Roger
had.
has the sword.
Yeah.
And then I have 2
all my
uniforms.
wedding presents were
Right.
Yeah.
There was no place
And
in the
Roger
house
has the sword.
to put them. And
So I thought they need to
I've
be
got
together.
everything
Yeah.
in the thing now, and
I
I
don't
can,
need
you know,
the
that I can
uniform.
use.
Yeah. I don't know if Roger needs a sword either, but
Well, I know that. Yeah, but the thing is, it is historical.
yeah, sure. Those they go together.
18
A lot of them were.
Wow, and the fabric is still not falling apart. That's amazing.
For a wedding.
Wasn't it made out of like
We were
wool
married
type
now.
stuff?
Oh, so